Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Helen Cinnamoun, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. So for today's video, we're going to make a vegetables with rice and orange lentils. So in Arabic, this is called as tahad karabit. So it is composed with vegetables down and the rice is up. So I will teach you how to make this. So wanna know how I made it? Let's go! So the ingredients, we need a green pepper, red and yellow pepper. We also need carrots. This is 1 carrot. I cut them into circles. And some potatoes. This is 2 or 1 if it's big, cut into circles. These are 4 pieces of tomatoes and cut them into cubes. 1 onion cut into wings. These are 6 pieces of garlic. I cut them into small pieces. You also need 1 eggplant cut into circles. 2 cups of rice. 1 cup of orange lentils. We also need tomato paste, cooking oil. For the spices for our rice, we need 3 sticks of cinnamon, 4 pieces of nail spice, 6 pieces of cardamoun seeds, 1 spoon of curry powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of mixed spices, 1 tablespoon of camoun powder. We also need coriander powder, white pepper, this cardamom spices, 1 teaspoon, and half teaspoon of black pepper. And also we need maggi cube and a little bit of salt. The first step, we're going to wash our rice with the orange lentils mixed together. Then we're going to soak it for a while we fry our vegetables. So by the way, the rice I use is a basmati rice. So next step, we're going to preheat a pan. Then we're going to add cooking oil. Then we're going to wait until it gets hot. So while waiting for the oil to get hot, we're going to boil water for our rice. So while it's not boiling yet, we're going to add our cinnamon stick, the 4 pieces of nail spices, and the 6 pieces of cardamom seeds. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of salt. Then you'll wait until it gets boiled. So now the oil get hot. We're going to fry our potato. fry the rest of the potatoes. Also the carrots. So this time the water of our rice is boiling, so we're going to put our rice and the lentils. Then we're going to add some cooking oil, and then we're going to wait until our rice is done. So now our rice is done. So we're going to remove the water, and then we're going to make a sauce down. So after we remove the water from the rice, now we're going to make the sauce down. So we're going to heat the pan again. Then when it gets hot, we're going to add some cooking oil. Then this time we're going to add our garlic. Then we add our onion. Let it a little bit brown. Then this time we add the tomatoes. we add the spices. Then the 2 maggi cubes. Mix it. Then this time, we're going to add the tomato paste. Then mix it. So after we mix it, now we put our vegetables, the one we fried before. This one. Then this time we're going to mix. Then you have to lower the fire so that your vegetables will not get burned. So after we mix it, we're going to add the rice in the top and leave it for about 30 minutes. So it's very easy, simple, and of course this is very good for vegetarian people. Then we just need a sauce. You can watch my how to make dakus on my YouTube video before. I have there. This is the partner of that. So we're going to cover it again, then leave it for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, now our vegetables with rice or tahad karabit is done. So it's now time for serve. So now our rice with vegetables or tahad karabit is done. So thank you guys for watching and hope you like my new recipe. So this is Cinnamoun. God bless us all and bye bye.